Hey guys, I just want to show you the Canon 5D Mark II. Right here, one of the battery compartment, the door here, the latch is not working as original already. I think after the years of wear and tear, now it becomes very funny. Like it's no longer springy as it should be lah. Wait up, this one. Let me adjust the focus. Okay, so it should be like this, where it's very springy. You see. So this one, the springiness is no longer there, and to open it, it becomes hard already. You see, it's very hard to open already. To open it, you force it a bit, put my nail in, pull. Yeah, so it's hard to open now. So I discovered a quick fix to this kind of issue. So let me show you how I do it. So first I open here. So you can see when I open it, the part looks like this. I guess you can also 3D print this part, but I can't find any blueprints online to print it with. So this is how it's supposed to be. Let me show you. Let me give you a close up. So one of the wings is broken. That's why the springiness is no longer there. I have another unit, both sides of the wings are broken. So the solution is to, let me show you. So you can see like here there's a V-shaped thing, right? So what I do is that I take one of the staplers from this kind of big staplers. So I just press like this and one of them will come out. Then I took the one that came out from this and I bend it like to make it like a V-shaped kind of thing now. Let me show you. Okay. To make it like V-shape-ish, so that when I put it on, then it will act like a form of spring now. Because we don't want the spring to be too hard. If it's too hard, then the door is hard to open as well. You need to push harder lah if the spring is too hard. So I put the spring like this. Maybe it's not curvy enough. Let me adjust a bit. Then I put. Okay, you see? Now it can act as a spring. Then I put this thing, the thing with the wing. Or you can either snap off this remaining one, or just maintain it as it is. For me, I think I just maintain it because try to make it as original as possible. So just put it in. Okay, so this is how it looks like with the thing in. Then you see that it's being pushed to the front. I think like the fact that there's a ring remaining means that it will twitch to one side. So maybe I need to snap off the remaining part. Okay, let me. I think I need a scissors. Alright. So now I put it back in. Then I put the stapler. Can you see? Now it replaces the plastic wing as the like a form of spring mechanism, and then you see in front. Still not even though. Okay, let me try to put the metal plate on it. Okay, so now, okay, does it work? Okay, seems to work. Okay, let's try it on. Okay. Yeah, so it works fine now. So there you go. How to replace the spring on the battery door for the Canon 5D Mark II. I guess you can replace the spring with other forms of springy material, but I tried finding other stuff that I have in the house when this is what I got, like a stapler worked well for me, so I thought to show you guys. Hope this helps. Yeah, please subscribe and share if you find this useful. Thanks everyone. Bye, God bless.